Hello friends, welcome to maths tutorial. In today's video, we will find the integration e power 2x dx. So let's start. We will use the substitution method here. So let's put 2x equal to z, taking differential of both sides, we get 2 dx equal to dz. And this gives us dx equal to dz by 2. Our given integration is e power 2x dx. Putting the values of 2x and dx, we get integration of e power z times dz by 2. As 2 in the denominator is a constant, so we can take it out. Taking that, we get 1 by 2 times integration of e power z. Now integrating this, we get 1 by 2 times e power z plus c. As we know that integration of e power x is equal to e power x. Here c is an integral constant. Now we will put the value of z here, and doing that we get 1 by 2 times e power 2x plus c. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.